Just before we start, I must wish all of you a very, very, very happy Deepavali and the new year, a new life, full of peace, prosperity and friendship. The queen of all festivals is planned by the scientists of life, we can say, those who are experts to guide us how to make a life successful and joyful. They have planned this first festival, Deepavali. And this Deepavali is many, many, many lights in the row, means Deepavali. Like this in Sanskrit word it is. So festival of lights, but basically it's a festival of removing fear. Now, if you have fear of the objects of the world around, then you cannot meet the challenges. The challenge comes because of the expansion of the continuous rotation of this whole universe and expanding universe, and therefore it is necessary that you understand the external world totally, and that without light is not possible. A small seed in the ground also opens up and comes out when the sunlight falls. If it is all dark, he will never come up. So the expression of life starts with light, and this festival is of light to remove the fear. It is therefore necessary that we throw light on a particular subject, but that is not a focus of one subject, and therefore all illumination, and therefore bright lights, all over lights, and even we put skylights to brighten the sky also. Now, when it is unorganized, means there is a garbage or there is not clean, the atmosphere, maybe when there is a pollution in the air we cannot see through, in the house, in the compound, wherever. So one can say that the cleanliness is also the answer, because the light has the obstacle of unorganized objects. So one must say that the festival of cleanliness by Diwali it starts. Before Diwali we paint our houses, we bring new clothes, cars, this, that and all this. It is something we must understand, that we learn that without keeping cleanliness everywhere, you will not be able to use the light, and without this light you will not be able to see through. So this is the main purpose, one can say, and therefore lights are inevitable in this. Now the light is only outer objects will illumine, but what about inner? So the heart, the mind must also have light inside, and you is light, and we are all having that light. Outside light is by sun, it is not human. You of mind is inner light, and this inner light is also to be managed, and that's how Deepavali starts with the first day of a particular step of evolution, where we throw a different aspect of life, different light on the subject, and start our festival.